So guys, I'm at it again. Let me just give you the full gist of what is going to happen. Yeah, let me just give you the full gist so that you can watch it along the line. You see, I'm one girl. Everybody in this life, there's no how beautiful you are, how complete you are. You must have, that's why I says you must have some sort of something that you wish that could be enhanced in your body. Some people that are so brief, they wish they are tall. Some people that are dark, they wish they are fair. For me, I love myself. I love everything about myself. But there's something that's, when they were sharing that thing, I think I went to urinate in heaven, so I didn't have it. Hello family, how you all doing? So it's a weekend, it's a Friday where I am. I don't know when you'll be seeing this video, but I thought to start this vlog. So today, right about now, I'm going to my son's school because I have a meeting there. If you're seeing my face for the first time, my name is Esther of the Esther's Chronicles TV. I'm a YouTuber based in Zurich, Switzerland. Yes. So this is an official opening of this vlog because I want to carry you along. Today I'll be doing something special. If you want to know what that is, just keep watching the video. Meanwhile, let me go to my son's school and see what they have to say. Do you like my hair? I'm loving this look. It's a long time I've not been using short hair, but this look right here, I'm loving it. So keep watching. You're welcome to this new vlog. Yeah. So I'm done with my son's appointment in school. We just had conversations on how the children can be better, or they should do more, or so many talk parents meeting. So like I'm going back home now to get something done, then look out for the surprise. Yes, guess what I'll be doing today? Oh, I'm sure the topic must have given me away to an extent, so let's keep watching. It's drizzling, but I like the drizzle. It's not a wet one, so keep watching guys. God bless you. So guys, I'm at it again. Let me just give you the full gist of what is going to happen. Yeah, let me just give you the full gist so that you can watch it along the line. You see, I'm one girl. Everybody in this life, there's no how beautiful you are, how complete you are. You must have, that's why I says you must have some sort of something that you wish that could be enhanced in your body. Some people that are so brief, they wish they are tall. Some people that are dark, they wish they are fair. For me, I love myself. I love everything about myself. But there's something that's, when they were sharing that thing, I think I went to urinate in heaven, so I didn't have it. You see, eyebrow here, I don't really have eyebrow. I have very tiny eyebrows, and that's why you see me always using pencil. If I had eyebrows, I'm not somebody that would like to be bothering shaving my eyebrows, so I decided to fix it. Yes, if you can't change it, you fix it. I'm not encouraging you to do it, or this is what I want to do for me, myself, and I. No pressure to do it. So I want to do, like they call it, microblading. So I want to get my eyelash or my eyebrow fixed to be like a permanent one, such that if I do it, I can have it for 10 years. Even if I don't use eye pencil in the morning, I am good to go. That's one thing I want to do, and God's so kind, it has always been my wish that I want to do it. So last year, one of my girlfriend, my very good friend in the person of Edith, mega shout out to you, Edith. She had some. It's not like she doesn't have eyebrows, she has. So she decided to go and do a permanent eyebrow. When she did it, I saw it, I love it. It was so beautiful. I told her, I said I love to do it. She told me the price, and I said, I'll do it whenever I have money. So she said, Esther, if you like it, I can actually gift you with it. I said, really? Yeah. She said on my birthday that she will gift me with it. She will just give me the money she used to do it, then I can go and do my. It was a shock because I would have saved to do that, but this my beloved friend gave me the money to go and do it. So before my birthday, she now told me that there's something she needs to tell me again. I said, what? She said concerning the eyebrow that it's painful, but she doesn't want to discourage me because she already promised to give me the money. So what she's going to do is that she's going to give me the money. I can then decide if I want to still do it or not. So I said okay. So on my birthday, she kept to your word. She kept to her word. She's talking her do. Let your word be your bond. When you say you will do something, do it. So she kept to her word. She gifted me with the money. If you watch my birthday vlog last year, you will start seeing me talking about it. She gifted me with the money, but I was now in between the pain because she told me it's painful. So I was so scared. I didn't want to do it anymore. I even told her that I had it. I don't want to do it anymore because it's painful. She now said, well, she has given me the money. If I want to do it, I can do it. If I change my mind, it's my business. But for her, she has kept to her promise. So instead of me using the money to do the eyebrow, I kept the money with me for months. Eventually, I decided to use the money, and guess what I used the money to buy? I didn't want to use the money to just buy random things. So I used the money to purchase a gold chain, yes, so that it will be memorable to me. I used the money to purchase a gold chain. Fast forward, let me continue this just 1 minute. Few months now later, I came across a beautiful lady, a beautiful auntie that is from my hometown. Yeah. Hi, Laura. I came across her, and guess what? She's one of the best eyebrow fixer. She has companies in Nigeria. And I'm about to go and pick her because she will be fixing my eyebrow. Just keep watching. I'll give you more gist. I can cite her already. I have a question for you. If you have an opportunity to change something about yourself, what will it be? If you have a chance to enhance something about yourself, what will it be? Let me know at the comment section. So, hello guys. So I thought to update you on how far we went with the eyebrow. Yes, like you can see, you can already sight the difference. So what happened was that I picked her and we came home together. Like I told you, she's a matured lady. I can't take privilege and I can't take joy that she chose to do my hair, and not just doing it, for her to come to my home. She's not small, she's big. She has 2 companies in Nigeria that does beauty. As a matter of fact, this lady I'm talking about that did my eyeshadow, let me brag. This lady that did my eyebrow rather is the president of the Beauty Association of Nigeria. She's no other person than Mary Charles. Yes, you see, I learned a lesson from her. When you are young, make money. Make money when you are young. Establish your business when you are young, so that when you are much matured, when money doesn't really mean anything to you, you know, at this level for us, money means a lot. We want to put our body, but there's a level you get to in life, money doesn't mean anything to you anymore. Your peace of mind will make more sense to you. So that's what I learned from her. When money doesn't mean anything to you and you want to choose where you want to go and stay, you can stay any part of the world and still run your business in Nigeria, because that's what she's doing. She's the president of Beauty Association. She has 2 companies in Nigeria, and she's running her business online successfully. So if she gets clients like people like me once in a while, she can still do it, not because of the money per se. For the mere, like, I was supposed to go to her house or meet her in her store. Yes, she has a store, but she chose to come to my house so that she will know this part of Switzerland. And thank you, Auntie Mary, if you are watching this picture. I don't take your love for granted. Thank you so much. So I want to say something. Like I said, I had to fix mine because I don't have my. You can see the difference. Just Lego to see the glow. Can you see the difference, guys? Let me know, what do you think about my new look? What do you think about it? Do you like it? Don't forget that I just did it today, so it's still very bright. In the next 2 or 3 weeks, it will become cool and you will get the real look. Personally, I love it. This is what I've always wanted, and I thank God that I got to do it from the very best. Yes, she was the one that introduced microblading to Nigeria. Stella Obasanjo was our client. Itagiwa was our client. You know, if you know these people, you know that they are big. So I didn't want to do it because of the pain, but as soon as I met her, I told her my pains, that I wanted to do this thing a few months ago, but because of the pain, And she told me, Esther, don't worry, I'll do a good job. You're going to like it. You will not feel pain. So when she was doing it, really, because there was something she put like for 30 minutes, the pain was not as serious as it would have been. It was cool and I just love it. So how did you find this video? Do you want to see more of this kind of sit down video and vlog? Let me know in the comment section, amongst other things that I do. I just thought to carry you guys along so that when you start seeing me, we are glowing on a different level with this. So talking about the price, if you want to know how much I did it, you can ask me. But to tell you, microblading is not cheap. If you want to do microblading, you got to have some change or you save towards it. Like, yes, like I said, my friend gifted me and I spent the money. And when now I'm ready, I had to save so that I can pay for it. But it's what I wanted. So if there's something you really want, you can save towards it and get it done. I mean, I'm loving the look. Lego. And I've not really buff up like that. So this one is just uncut something. So it was pricey a bit. For me, yes, it was pricey because it's a sacrifice that I had to do for myself. Then if you want it also, if you want to know the price that I did it, you can DM me. But for the records, if you want to do this in Switzerland, for the records, it's 600, 700. It's 600, 700 if you want to do it. But I didn't pay that much. I didn't pay up to 600, 700. But it still cost me a arm and a leg, yeah. But I wanted it and I love it that I did it for myself. So guys, if you have watched this extent, please like this video and let me know what you think about the new look. It's about to get, I told you at the beginning of this year, ladies, just take out time to do something for yourself. Love yourself. Do something for yourself. Like, I don't know, but just love yourself. Because I love me and I choose to do this for me. And it's making me feel like, hey, oh. Thank you all. My name is Esther of the Esther's Chronicles TV. I'll see you in my next video. Please like, drop me a comment. I love to read from you and share. Tell a sister, spend money on yourself. Yeah. Spend money. Bye.
Look for we get Esther's Chronicles TV. Look for we get. We entertain and bring you laughter from the comfort of your home. Another day, another chapter.